Chronicles of Ceylon 3.0 is happening right now. I must say it's such an experience. The vibe is so good.
What an event! It's only got bigger and bigger and better and better.
And I'm so happy that we had a successful event and everybody is enjoying every type of cuisine from Sri Lanka.
An incredible variety of food. I'm so glad that the Pullman team has been able to showcase Sri Lankan cuisine at such a deep variety to all the people that call Dubai home. So I'm excited for the next few days as well. See you at Chronicles of Ceylon
4.0. Bring it on, Pullman.